In this video, we're going to take a look at the folder display in ArcCatalog. So here we have the catalog tree. From the catalog tree, if I choose my connection folder, the contents of that folder will be shown here. If I don't want to see it here, or I just want to see it in the ArcCatalog, I'm just going to click on the plus symbol, and whatever is in this folder, it will be shown here. Now the same goes for each and every folder. If I click on this BGDAM folder, then the contents of this folder will be shown here. Now if I don't want to see the contents of this folder here, then I'm just going to click on the plus symbol here, and the contents of the folder will be displayed there. Okay, so another thing we can do is the way the folders are displayed here. We have right now a list format. From the list format, we can go to large icons. If I click on the large icons, you'll see the folders as large icons, just the same in your Windows. And then we have details. If you go to details, it will show you details. For example, if I click inside, now the type, it is showing the type. It is a shape file, it's a text file, details like that. Now let's go back here. There we go. Now we also have another format, that is thumbnails. If I do that, it is thumbnail format. Now you can see the folders are showing as folders. The GeoDatabase is showing with the extension of .gdb. Now if I go inside BGDAM by doing double click, then I can see the contents of BGDAM. Now we have the shape files and the text files here. So it is also compressed just the same way in ArcMap. Let me just open the folder that contains it. Alright, let's go to the folder here. As you can see, BGDAM actually holds all these folders, these files. These are the supporting files, as that altogether represent the BGDAM 0 shapefile. So if you go back to an ArcCatalog, the way the folders actually show us all of the files, ArcCatalog, ArcMap, or any other of our ArcGIS desktop softwares do not show us like that. They just show us the shape files and sometimes the text files along with that. Okay, so the shape files are .shp, and then the GeoDatabase, as we have seen, are the .gdb, and as we go further in our series, we'll learn about more types of files. So that was it for this video. I hope you got to learn something new, and as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.